Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to make this flasher box, as promised. Alright, and this is what it looks like. See, it's a flasher and it's a box. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, and I made a demo of this one time. So yeah, last week I made a demo of it. So for the demo, click right here on the upper right hand corner, okay? And the one in the demo was not nearly as refined as this is. Okay, so I think this one's better. So yeah, it's a flasher, and of course, if you look inside it, it's a box, and you can, you know, house some treasures inside, like $1 Minecraft Steams. Okay, so here goes. So this model I folded from a sheet of rainbow patterns, 6-inch square of rainbow patterns, kami or paper, whatever it is. Okay, but for the purposes of this tutorial, to make it easier to follow, I'm going to use a sheet of construction paper cut square. Okay, alright, so to cut a square, what you do is you fold the short edge onto the long edge. Okay, just like that. Make sure it's exact. Okay, and don't make that very sharp. Okay, just keep it like that. Okay, and now let's turn over. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this excess paper up so that the fold we're making aligns with the raw edge below. Alright, just like that. And crease sharply. Alright, now let's unfold everything. And now this mountain crease, we're going to make it genderless, so that way it's easier to get rid of, okay? So let's do this, so it just makes it easier to get rid of this excess, okay? Like the way I'm going to do it, okay? And now just reverse it like, I don't know, up to 10 times, well, a few times. Just do it a few times, okay? I'm kind of impatient, so yeah. Alright, now, you could cut this off using, scissors, but, that's kind of hard and that's kind of slow, so I'm not going to do that. So an easier way is to tear it off, okay? And if you are going to tear it off, then what you do is you make a little tear right there, and then just go all the way down the crease. Just like that. And you can throw this excess away, so crunkle that up and get rid of it. I'm going to put it to the side right now, well, on the floor. Alright, so here's our square. And now, let's make the model, so the flasher box. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start out by making an 8x8 grid of creases. So let's start out by folding in half, like this. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. This model is a variation of the easiest flasher designed by Jeremy Schaefer, okay? But yeah, this is my variation because it's a box. I turned it into a box, okay? So yeah. Alright, so yeah. Okay, and unfold. And now let's fold in half the other way. Crease sharply, okay? Alright, now unfold. And now we're going to make a door base in both directions. So let's fold this edge to the crease and this edge to the crease, okay? But it's easiest to do one edge at a time. It's not that easy if you do both at a time, okay? And crease sharply, and repeat on this side. So fold this edge to the middle. And crease sharply, and we made a door base. Okay, now unfold, and now to make a door base in this direction, so let's do the same thing. So let's make the crease again, and let's fold this edge and this edge to the middle crease. Okay, unfold here and unfold here. And now let's fold this edge to the nearest crease. And crease sharply. Alright, now unfold, and now let's fold this edge to the last crease. Just like this. Crease sharply, and unfold. And now let's just fold in half. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let's rotate 180 degrees, and let's do the same thing. So let's fold this edge to to the nearest crease. Okay, unfold, and now let's fold this edge to this crease right here. Okay, I'm gonna draw this in so you'll know which one I'm talking about. Okay, just like that. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna fold this edge to this crease right here. So this is the second crease down from this raw edge. Okay, just like this. Alright, and unfold. So as you can see, we divided it into 8 parts. Like this. 8 parts, okay? Alright, now we're going to divide it into 8 parts in this direction now. So, I'm going to remake this so you can see it better. Alright, so let's fold this edge to the nearest crease. Okay, just like this, and unfold. And now, I'm going to remake this so you can see it a bit better. Unfold, and now let's fold this edge to the last crease. Okay, we're doing the same exact thing like we did before, but in the other direction. Okay, crease sharply, and unfold, and now let's just fold in half, just so you can see that better. Okay, unfold, and now let's fold this edge to the nearest crease. So we're doing it on this side now. Okay, and unfold. And again, I'm going to draw this crease in so you'll know which one I'm talking about. And so that you can see it better. Okay. Alright, now we're going to fold this edge to this crease right here, the one I just drew on. So this is the second crease down from this raw edge. Alright, just like that. And crease sharply. And there it is. Our 8x8 grid is done. Okay? Alright, now let's turn over so that the grid of creases are mountains, okay? Now I'm gonna draw this middle square in so you can see it a bit better, okay? I'm using this Sharpie right here. Because I like to use Sharpies in my videos, since they work very well. Alright, so there's our square, okay? This middle part right here is gonna be the box part, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna draw these creases in, the ones we're focusing on right now, okay? So like this, and like this. Okay, I recommend drawing this, okay? Because I'm sure you'll get confused on yours, too. Alright, just like that, okay? Alright, so, the creases that I drew in just now, those are going to be mountains, okay? So, let's, make them mountains like this. Okay? Like that. So we're collapsing the model now, okay? To form the flasher. So we're making the mountains first, okay? And now, let's do it on here. Make that mountain, and this mountain. Okay, and now let's make this mountain. Okay, and this mountain. Okay. Alright, now we're going to make some valleys. So, the creases that I'm going to draw in right now are going to be valleys, and they're going to be dotted lines. Okay, there. Dotted lines are valleys, and solid lines are mountains. Okay? Okay? I'm drawing this in. Click right here to skip ahead, if you already have this. Okay? And like this. Just give me a second. I'm drawing the creases in. Okay? I'm just drawing these creases in so you can see it, what I'm doing, so you don't get confused later. Okay? Alright, so there's the valleys, and I'm going to draw the mountains in again, too. Which are solid. I'm trying to be careful so I don't mark my background. Okay. See, I'm drawing the crease pattern right now. Okay? And then more valleys. So, just like that, okay? So remember, if you already have your crease pattern, skip ahead. Alright, so there's the crease pattern done. Alright, now let's collapse the model now. So we've already made the mountains, so now we're gonna do is we're gonna make the valleys now. So we're gonna start out by making this diagonal valley. So let's take this crease and put it onto this crease right here. Okay, so this mountain goes onto this mountain. Okay, just like that. This can be tricky for beginners. Okay, I mean that's the whole point of a flasher anyway. That's usually the hardest part of a flasher, is to collapse it. All right, and now let's these valleys are going to be easier because they're already there. Okay, like that. So we're just making those valleys now. So I'm doing it. Notice I'm doing it from underneath. Okay, and now let's pinch this diagonal mountain right here. Let's pinch this diagonal mountain, just like that. And then now let's pinch this mountain and pinch here. And now let's make this valley, this diagonal valley. Alright, and there's one side of it done. Okay, and now let's do the same thing on this segment, and this segment. Okay, so just like this. Okay, and the valleys, which I think are harder. Okay, just like this. Alright, and there's another segment done, segment 2, and now let's work on segment 3. Okay, it doesn't matter what segment you do, they're all the same. Okay, but I like to do it by rotating it as I go. Okay, and there's segment 3 done, and now segment 4. Okay, see how the flasher's taking shape? The flasher box. Remember, this is the box right here. Okay, we're almost done. We're getting there. Okay. Alright, and now comes the fun part. We're gonna push everything together to form the flasher. Here it goes. So, yeah. Just push everything together on the existing creases. Okay. And now let's look in here and let's just kind of fix everything up in here, the sides, by pressing on them. You can see how they're kind of like, you know, a little crooked right there. I like to do that. I like to fix them up when they're like that. And there you have it, the flasher box. Okay, see, it's a box right here, and when you turn it over, it's a flasher. Yep, I'm pretty psyched about this model. I think it's pretty cool. And remember, it is a box too, because you can hold stuff inside like candy. See, you can put stuff in it like this. Okay, or maybe if you make it extra big, then you can, I don't know, perhaps use it as a Halloween basket or something, a Halloween box, whatever. But yeah, so it's a box, so you can put candy inside it. You can put other models like $1 Minecraft Steves. Okay, and I'm not going to teach this because this is kind of complex and it's kind of small and it takes kind of a long time. So yeah, and 4-pointed ninja stars like that. Okay, and I made a tutorial for this here. Okay, and yeah, there it is. Alright, well, I hope you're able to fold that, and if it got stuck, let me know where. I'll try to explain it in more detail, maybe. I don't know. And yeah, there it is. Well, please make a demo of this, and make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.